Thank you for that introduction, and thank you to the Embedded Vision Summit for inviting me to give this talk on building the eyes of a vision system. Let's begin by talking about the nature of light. What is light? Well, light can be represented as both a particle and an electromagnetic wave. And when discussing image sensors, we tend to rather casually switch between the two. A photon is a light particle, and the energy determines the wavelength. So higher energy means shorter wavelength. The energy equals Planck's constant multiplied by the speed of light divided by the wavelength. And when visible to human beings, we perceive different wavelengths as color. And the intensity of light is proportional to the number of photons. So at the bottom there, you can see the familiar color range visible to most human beings, going from 380 nanometers to 740 nanometers. Below 380, we have ultraviolet. Above 740, we start to move into infrared. Diving a little bit more into the different bands of light, because we need different sensor technologies for some of these bands, as well as different optics. So as discussed, we have visible light, and there we can use CCDs and CMOS image sensors. From 0.74 microns to 1 micron, we're into the near infrared band, and we can continue to use CCDs and near IR enhanced CMOS image sensors. From 1 micron to 2.5 micron, we're in shortwave IR band, and we start to have to use different sensor technologies such as indium gallium arsenide. From 3 microns to 5 microns is a medium wave IR band with sensor technologies including indium antimonide, mercad telluride, and 3,5 semiconductor superlattices. And this is starting to move into thermal imaging, where you're imaging of heat. 8 microns to 14 microns is long wave infrared. Sensor technologies include microbolometers and mercad telluride. You may notice there's a gap actually between 3 microns and 8 microns. We don't use that band because water vapor in the atmosphere absorbs light in that range